Hello friends, welcome to MDCZ. In this video, I am gonna break down the first two episodes of season 7 of the Flash series. The story of the Flash series is right now kinda confusing and exciting. Iris Wells is trapped inside the Mirrorverse and Barry and his team are trying to free her from that realm. That's what we are seeing in the first two episodes. I'll explain it briefly in the breakdown, so watch the video till the end. But before we start this video, let me tell you guys this video is available in 3 different languages: English, Hindi and Marathi. The other 2 video links are mentioned in the description below, so if you want then you can check it out, or you can just visit MDCZ channel playlist section. I categorized all the videos according to the languages and content type, so it will be very effortless for you to watch channel content in your preferred language. If you don't want to miss out on such daily Marvel and DC Universe related videos, then hit the subscribe button of the MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now without wasting your time, let's start this video. As we all know, Barry doesn't have his speed force now, so he was put in the cryo chamber to stop losing all the speed left inside his body. At that time, they were figuring out how to build an artificial speed force, so when the time comes, he could help bring his friends back from the Mirrorverse. On the other hand, Eva is capturing and taking over the empire that her husband built up. Then Chester spotted fractal energy alert, so he woke Barry from cryosleep. Barry went to stop Eva and retrieve information to free Iris and others from Mirrorverse. But Eva was faster than Barry, and Barry didn't have much speed left inside him. So Eva outruns Barry very easily. Eva went to kill Sam Scudder, who is known as Mirror Master. Later we find out that Sam was just a mirror duplicate who was created by Eva herself. Eva was destroying all the black hole tech and those who were involved in that. We also saw Iris was struggling inside the Mirrorverse. Staying for so long in the Mirrorverse started affecting her mind. Cecil went to prison to grab black hole tech related information from Rosalind Dillon. Rosa was a meta-human, even she is the mastermind in all their deals. She just sold out Sam to Eva, and then both of them planned to destroy all the black hole tech over the entire city. Cecil used her powers on Rosa and got this information. On the other hand, Chester and Nash Wells were working on a fusion sphere to create an artificial speed force for Barry. They just need enough fuel source to activate that. After the multiverse was destroyed, all other Wells from multiverse went inside Nash Wells' mind. Now, you may think about how that happened. When the multiverse was destroyed, some multiverse particles went inside Nash Wells. That's why Nash is connected with all other Wells from multiverse. They all figured out that if they fuel the fusion sphere with these multiverse particles, it will help artificial speed force run forever. But to work this out, they need an organic receptor, which is Nash Wells. So if they execute this, then eventually Nash Wells is also gonna die. First he denied that, then he figured out another way to transfer those multiverse particles inside the fusion sphere. Allegra can control electromagnetic wavelengths, so she can push those multiverse particles from Nash's body to fusion sphere. It went horribly wrong, and instead of going to fusion sphere, those multiverse particles went inside Barry. All those Wells went inside Barry's mind, and that was really funny to watch. But eventually, it starts affecting Barry because until now, Barry was only alive just because of his speed healing. But when it runs out, Barry was about to die because of that. So Nash decided to sacrifice himself to save Barry and fuel up the speed force. Others didn't agree on that, but that was their only chance to save Barry and save the city from the black hole tech explosion. Because of Nash's sacrifice, Barry got his artificial speed force running, and then he saved the city from the explosion. The death of Nash Wells was so emotional for all of them. On the other hand, while struggling in Mirrorverse, eventually Iris learned to control it. She sent an email to Camilla and David, who was also trapped in that Mirrorverse. At the end of the episode, there was a security footage where Eva finds out that she isn't the real Eva because Eva was already dead. Here's the first episode ends. In the second episode, Cisco joined the team when he finds out about the Nash. After that, they started to figure out how to retrieve others from the Mirrorverse. Later on, Allegra finds out the email Iris sent to Camilla and David from Mirrorverse. Iris told them to gather in the Star Lab. That's why they decided to make a portal to Mirrorverse in Star Labs so they can free all of them from Mirrorverse. After activating artificial speed force, Barry not only got his speed back, but he also got super speed thinking. In short, his mind became much faster than a machine or a program. Because of that, they quickly figured out a way to build that portal. For that, they need a black hole particles. Eva absorbed some of those particles before, so they decided to extract them from her body. Barry made a plan to distract Eva. Frost helped them in that. While they were fighting, Barry extracted those black hole particles from Eva's body. If you notice that, these are the green particles. I'll explain this at the end of the breakdown. Later, when Frost needed help, Barry didn't help her because his super thinking won't let him do that to save that Tachyon enhancer. Later on, he also exposed Eva in front of the reporter by showing them the footage of Eva's death. He didn't even care about her feelings. In short, Barry started losing his soul and his emotions. He started thinking about the facts only. In a way, you can say that he is turning into a machine. That's why when he figured out that they can either bring Iris back or Camilla and David. Till then, Camilla, David and Iris gathered in the Star Lab. But Barry decided to bring Iris back, but not because of she is his wife, but because she stayed there for a longer time and she would have more knowledge about the Mirrorverse. Frost, Cisco and Allegra team up and tried to stop Barry, but they failed. Then Barry forcefully brought Iris back because when Iris figured out what Barry did, she didn't like it. She started to opposing the force, but Barry used full force which she couldn't resist, but it started affecting her body when she got out. This surprised Barry because this didn't turn out as he expected. Then Barry realized what actually happening with him, so he destroyed the artificial speed force. On the other hand, Eva was broken because of the expose. She started realizing that this isn't her world. So she decided to make it her world by trapping people inside Mirrorverse and replace them with her own creations, which she can control. Then we saw a flashback. Eobard Thawne killed the original Harrison Wells and took over his face, his life and buried the original Harrison Wells. Later on, we saw that original Harrison Wells was reformed after those green particles merged together. This was a really confusing scene for almost all DC fans. Those green particles that Barry extracted from Eva's body are similar to the particles that we saw when Harrison Wells was formed. I don't know how they are gonna connect this, but it looks like the original Harrison Wells will be back just like Eva, or if Barry completely destroyed that artificial speed force, then all those multiverse particles could reform the Nash Wells alongside all other Wells including Harrison Wells. It's just a theory. I'm not confident about this theory though, but it's a possibility. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. Also, if you love this breakdown, don't forget to hit like and share this video with other DC fans. If you don't wanna miss out on such daily Marvel and DC universe related videos, then hit the subscribe button of FDC's channel and press the bell icon. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do guys. Just be safe, don't hurt anyone and be happy.